Welcome to I Love English TV.
Do you want to learn English fast? Do you want to speak English fluently and confidently? Even if you are starting from zero. Even if you do not know one English word. This program is for you. This program was not created randomly. It was built step by step, carefully, simply, effectively. If you follow it seriously, your English will begin to change. Many people study English for years, but still cannot speak. Why? Because they learn words. They learn grammar. They memorize rules, but they never train the brain. And today, that changes.
In week 1, we trained your ears to listen. In week 2, we trained your mouth to speak. And now, week 3 begins. Now, we train the brain to think in English. Because true fluency starts here. Not in the mouth, in the mind. Why you still translate? First, understand this. Your brain loves habits. It always chooses the easiest road. For many years, you lived in Arabic. You felt emotions in Arabic. You solved problems in Arabic. You talked to yourself in Arabic. So now, when English comes, your brain says, "Wait, I know another road." And it returns to Arabic first. That is normal. It is not failure. It is habit, and habits can change. It is habit, and habits can change. The problem is, many learners try to speak English without changing how they think. They learn words but keep an Arabic brain process. That creates delay. Example. You want to say, "I'm tired." But inside your head, "Ana mutab." Then translate, then speak. Too late. Too much pressure. So today, we build a new road. Direct English thought. Step 1. Stop translating everything. Most learners make this mistake. They hear English, then translate to their language, then understand. They want to speak. They think in their language first, then translate, then speak. This is slow. This is stressful. This blocks fluency. From today, we stop doing that. Your first mission is simple. When you hear simple words, do not translate. If you hear water, see water in your mind. If you hear car, see a car. If you hear door, see a door. If you hear happy, feel happiness. Connect English directly to meaning, not to translation. This is how children learn language. And this is how your brain becomes faster. Step 2. Think small thoughts. Do not try to think deep ideas immediately. Do not say, "What is the meaning of success in society?" Too difficult. Start with tiny thoughts. When you wake up, I'm awake. I'm awake. When you stand up, I'm standing. I'm standing. When you wash your face,
I'm washing my face.
I'm washing my face. When you drink tea, I'm drinking tea. I'm drinking tea. When you feel hungry, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Simple thoughts, many times. This trains the brain. Small thoughts create big progress. Step 3. Narrate your daily life. Become the voice inside your own life. Describe everything you do in English. I'm opening the window. I'm opening the window. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm putting on my shoes. I'm walking outside. I'm walking outside. I'm checking my phone. I'm checking my phone. I'm cleaning the table. I'm cleaning the table. No pressure. No one is judging you. No one is listening. This is private training. The more you describe life in English, the more natural English becomes. Use boring moments. Use empty moments. Use waiting time. Use walking time. Your normal day becomes your classroom. Step 4. Build English time every day. Choose one time every day where English becomes your world. Maybe 15 minutes in the morning. Maybe while cooking. Maybe while walking. Maybe before sleep. During this time, only English thoughts, only English listening, only English self-talk. No translation, if possible. Your brain will start learning this pattern. This is English time. And with repetition, English mode becomes easier to enter. Consistency is more powerful than motivation. 20 minutes every day is stronger than 3 hours once a week. Starting today, I want you to do this challenge. For 7 days, every day. 10 minutes listening. 10 minutes thinking in English. 10 minutes speaking to yourself. That's all. 30 minutes can change everything. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Do not wait for motivation. Start tired. Start shy. Start badly. Just start. One day, something beautiful will happen. You will hear English and understand quickly. You will speak without translating. You will answer without fear. You will think without effort. And in that moment, you will realize fluency did not arrive in one day. It was built, thought by thought, day by day, step by step. Your brain is ready. Train it patiently. Train it daily. Train it in English.